check back in with 9 News reporter Courtney Yoon, who's out on the Eastern Plains. Courtney, you've been saying the high winds are really just beating you guys up this morning.
Oh yes, Corey and Drew, feeling a little beat up by the winds here this morning. My eyes are watering, dust is getting in my eyes. It's quite gusty out here this morning in Bennett, and as you can see behind me, lots of wind out here. You might see a tumbleweed passing through as well, and some dusty, crusty conditions this morning. So we do know that Xcel says when it comes to power, they do not plan on doing any power cutoffs today. Black Hills Energy, though, they are warning some customers it may shut off power in 4 counties in southern Colorado. That could impact up to 5,400 customers. But Xcel and Core Electric say they're enhancing power lines ready just in case anything happens with those. If something hits a line, these power lines are sensitized to shut off if something touches them, and that is just to help reduce the risk of wildfires here. But yeah, it's not a fun day to be outside today if you don't have to be. We've been seeing trash kind of flying around here this morning as well. Definitely stay inside if you can today. If you don't have to go out anywhere, that would be recommended because it's not great, but at least it's not too cold as it could be in February this year. But